It's the Nikon Buckmaster. Finally get a chance to sight it in. It's a cold day, it's a rainy, dreary day, which would make it a perfect day to test out that whole waterproof, shockproof, fogproof element of it. So I've got the 1903 A3 and we'll just see how it does on the range first time. Let's go. One more. Well, it took about 10 shots and my shoulder's really tired, but we got it sighted in. So it seems once I got it sighted in, it seemed to hold its aim pretty well. But now we got to get it in the field, murder a deer with it, and that'll be the real test.